Hi, it's Sin again. Let's get into the next unboxing. It's another Quilter's candy box. And again, I opened the cover because it has my address label on the other side. So let's get into this. So this is September's Quilter's candy box. I'll list everything, so I'll put that on the side so I can refer to it. Keep calm and quilt on. This looks like a sprayer. Super cute. So I guess I can put something in here. Okay, let's see. Let's read. Keep calm and quilt on Stylist spray bottle. You can fill this with your favorite starch or quilting spray. These bottles have multi-patented technologies that give you an endless spray, allowing large areas to be covered quickly and easily. Your bottle is ergonomically made, which means less hand fatigue. So that's really good. I have super tiny hands. So this, it actually does feel pretty good. My hands do get tired easily. So yeah, it looks promising. So I will try that out. Thank you. Here is the candy treat for September. It is C's Candies Little Pops. These are the lollipops, but in little, not a lollipop, just a little candy. So this is good. We love this. It comes with coffee, vanilla, butterscotch, and chocolate. I'll be giving my husband all the chocolate because he loves it. All right. And what else? SENCH brand side threading needles. This is the premium needle. Simply slide your thread into the eye of the needle where there is an opening. So we don't have to go through the eye. Now that I'm getting older, it's tougher to see. Although I had cataract surgery and I can see really good now. Don't need any more corrective lenses. But anyway, this will come in handy. So side threading needles. That's good. This is a FriXion Colors pen. I use FriXion pens for my planning, so very familiar with this, but this is a marker, and this is good. It's erasable with heat. So when you use, that's why it's called FriXion, because see this little end here? When you write it on paper and you erase it, then, or you rub it, it's the friction, it's the heat that builds up when you're rubbing it, and that's how it gets erased. It does come back in the cold, so if you put it in the fridge or freezer, it'll come back. But you know, we don't put our quilts or sewing in the fridge or freezer, so it's fine. But I love the FriXion, Pilot FriXion pens, so that's good. All the fabric you need to make your Sunshine Mini from Birch Fabrics. Birch Fabrics uses 100% organic cotton, making it extra soft. I hand selected these particular prints to go with your Sunshine Mini, and I can't wait to see yours. It doesn't say who procured this, but anyway, these are, oh, it's made with a rubber band, so these are super cute. Little boy and a girl. Looks like Jack and Jill, maybe, in a field of flowers. Here's like a raspberry background color with white seabirds. An orange background with large polka dots. An off-white back. A kind of a greeny yellow color with flowers. And this is nice. I like this color with the little cross hatches. So that's super cute. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total. So that is cute. And let's see the pattern. You are the sun to my sunshine. That is really cute. Sunshine Mini Quilt. So let's get this open so I can show you. So you could see the fabric that was used. And it's the exact same fabric. I have a Cricut maker, so I wonder if I could use it to cut these out so I don't have to cut it out by hand. I'll probably do that. So here's the templates for the cutouts, I'm sure. Yep. So there's the cutouts. Here's the instructions. And I'm pretty sure it's an applique. So there you go. That's cute. And it's a mini quilt, so I will be trying that. Okay, thanks. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!